Yeah, using Wavy. Yeah, Wavy baby, Wavy baby.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another quick and easy DIY for you guys. But at first, do you guys like my new intro? Do you guys really like my new intro? Did you see it? Isn't it neat? Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. PMGRAFIX is where I got the intro from, and she's also a YouTuber here. Yes, she is. So she does that's an intro. So she does intros. She does intros, I think it's called. Yeah, she does both of them. She does banners for your YouTube account, your YouTube channel. She does that too, and she prints cards, she does logos, she does a whole bunch of things, you guys. Yeah. And I'm gonna leave the info for her, everything for her down in the description box. So go down and check her out. You know, get something, you know, you might see something that she does and you like it and you want to get it, and she'll do it for you. Yeah. So remember, everything will be down below. Anyways, I'm coming on today, like, you know, with another quick and easy DIY. Like I said, some Valentine candles. So let's get into today's DIY. Alright everyone, here are the items that we'll be using for today's quick, easy, and fun Valentine's candle idea. And everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to go down and see exactly what they are and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we have these nice candles I got from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to be blinging it out with this bling right here that I got from Walmart. And we're just going to place the bling going around the heart, you guys. And I'm also going to add some bling going right around the bottom of our candle holder. Now we have this tall tea light holder, and I'm going to use our bling and put it right around the top of the tea light candle holder, going all the way around because this is going to be the base of our Glam candle holder. Now here's our two candles that we'll be putting together to make one Glam candle holder. And I'll be using some hot glue for this video. You can use E6000 or any adhesive that you would like to use and just glue them together. Here's our finished look, you guys. Our quick and easy Glam Valentine candle holders decor. I think they look lovely. They are super cute and easy candle holders for your Valentine's decor. And you know, you guys, you can use it after Valentine's too, not only for Valentine's. They're absolutely lovely. See how I like how the bling going around the bottom. It looks so very nice. And these tall candle holders in the Dollar Tree are so super cute. And the heart candle holders is so nice. I absolutely love it with the little heart showing inside. They're nice. Like I always say, take things from the dollar store. You know, it's only $1. And buy them, put them together, and you have something elegant that looks like you got it right out of, I don't know, what do you say, like Z Gallery or something like that. You can just make your items lovely items for your home, which is very nice. Because, you know, we're all divas on a budget. We like nice things, but we like to get it at a very inexpensive cost. And I think these candle holders just do that. They're very nice. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of these candle holders. Yes. And give me a thumbs up. Press that like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And when you press that subscribe button, hit the bell too so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY that I love to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.